Tail, your beautiful tail. You almost look like a dolphin out of Oasis. Are you trying to be a dolphin? Oh, Taylor, that's beautiful. But I'm so sorry. That's not correct. Yet another snack break, okay? 2 more. Are we going to be able to hit that point? Let's see.
Done. Make sure they don't have any cuts, bruises, or scrapes, anything that might have happened overnight. Now they can also participate in more complex medical behaviors. They are all trained to do what is called a voluntary blood draw. And that is where they will voluntarily participate in these blood draws so that if and when we ever need to get blood for them for their testing and for their health, they're already trained. Crates that we have up here, and our military trained to get right into those crates, which is going to be especially important in case we ever have any kind of inclement weather. It's very important that they're very comfortable going into those crates so we are able to transfer them out of habitat if we need to do so. And we do all these different behaviors each and every day, so they're all very, very used to going into those crates, doing all those different medical behaviors that they do get reinforced so highly for participating. Now, while you're watching your training sessions, you will notice several different adaptations that the seals do have. If you catch a closer glimpse at their faces, you'll notice they have whiskers, and these whiskers are called vibrissae. Vibrissae are going to be very sensitive to underwater movement and prey, so as they are hunting out in the ocean, they're able to sense any fish going by and be able to quickly go after those prey items. You'll also notice as you see the seals rolling over, they're a little bit lighter on the underside of them. And that is because they are a prey species, so they do have camouflage to be able to help them be able to blend in their natural environment. So that's